What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a instructional video on my supplemental lift, which is the Beltless high bar squat. We're going to go over technique and how to do it properly. Sometimes it's not about the weight, it's about building a foundation. I'm moving on from my primary lift onto my supplemental lift, which is the Beltless high bar squats. I have a 3x8 with 230 pounds. I'm using these to hypertrophy the quads and improve my depth. These high bar squats are going to have carryover to the low bar squat. For this exercise, all you're going to need is a barbell, a rack, some plate weights. I recommended elevated heel shoes. That way the focus is going to be more on your quads. You're not going to need a belt or nothing extra. The high bar squat focuses your body to stabilize itself naturally by staying in an upright position and using more of your quads.
Step 1, start with bar placement in the rack. For high bar squat, I like the bar in the rack about below trap height, but right above the shoulders. Step 2, then I grip the bar, usually using my close grip bench grip width. This allows me to build a shelf with my traps. Step 3, then I lat pull down the bar behind my head and put the bar on the shelf. For the high bar squat, I keep my elbows pointed at the ground. Step 4, I put my feet under my hip joints, sometimes wider. You could also put your feet straight or 30 to 40 degrees outboard. Everybody's built different, so use whatever feels best for you. Step 5, take a big breath and try filling your core with air, not your chest. For high bar squats, I break at the knees and hips at the same time, then descend. Step 6, once I hit depth, I push my feet through the earth and drive with my legs like a close stance leg press. I use these to build stability, increase quad size, and help with depth and carryover to my low bar squat.
So that's the Beltless high bar squat. It's a simple but powerful move for building your quads and your strength. Try it in your next workout program and see how it pays off. Like if this helped, comment if you tried Beltless work before, and subscribe for more straight to the point workout content. And don't forget to have yourself a nice day.